Hello students, this is your first example of first problem of arithmetic mean. Check the question. Find the arithmetic mean of the numbers 5, 8, 12, 15 and 20. Ami a number kitar arithmetic mean uliyabo lage. So let's start this solution. We know that the formula for the arithmetic mean is x bar equal to summation of x by n. Summation of x means we have to sum up these numbers. 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20. Yat jehetu 5ta term ase, so divided by, so n or value to ki hobo 5 hobo. A2 equal to ami 60 pam, 60 by 5 mane 12. So ami arithmetic mean to kiman palu 12. Ami a problem to ami shortcut method use koriu koribo paru. So let's check this shortcut method. The formula for the shortcut method is x bar equal to a plus summation of d by n. D mane hoise x minus a aru a mane hoise assume mean. Now what is assume mean? Assume mean means we have to assume a mean from the given series. Tamane ami enekwa ta ami assume mane ki ami dhori lobo lage hoy na hoy. Assume mean buli koise tamane ami a series to pa eta mean ami nije consider kori lobo laibo. We have to choose the assume mean in such a way that it lies almost around the center. Ami assume mean to enekwa dhone select koribo laibo jate hi center or akhe pakhe thake. Etia soa yat jehetu ama 5ta term ase, yat ama center ot ki ase 12 ase. Hoy na hoy kana ami 12 to ki korim assume mean buli consider korim. To etar pisot ami amak ki lage formula tut soa a ami palu 12 palu, etia amak lage d. The formula for d is d equal to x minus a. Now we have to construct a table here. X and d equal to x minus a. Yat moi x or values khini likhim 5, 8, 12, 15, 20. তাৰপিছত সোৱা যেহেতু আমাৰ a হৈছে 12, a হৈছে যেহেতু আমাৰ 12, সো আমি এটা কি কৰিব লাগিব x - a আছে, x - a মানে 5, 5 minus 12 minus 7, 8 minus 12 minus 4, 12 minus 12 0, 15 minus 12 3, 20 minus 12 8. Okay, lekhine ami d value palu. Now we have to sum up the values of d. Since in the formula we require summation d. Now summation d will be equal to 0. Okay. Now we will substitute these values in the formula. Eti ami formula tut values khini bohai dim. So therefore x bar equal to ami a jagat ki boham 12 boham, summation of d zer ki bohabo lebo ami 0 palu, so 0 boham aru n mane hoise 5, so ami mean to ki palu 12. Enukwa nohoy je tumaluke question to dile duita dhorne koribo laibo, hetu nohoy jitu easy poa hetu mode koribo para. You can do either using this method or using shortcut method. It's up to you. Now, proceeding to the second problem. It was question swap. For the discrete frequency distribution given below, find arithmetic mean. Yet discrete frequency distribution buli koise. Frequency distribution buli konte at frequency ase. A number of persons kini hose at frequency. Aru wages. Data kini so keneke dia ase wages in rupees 40, 45, 50, 60, 65. Number of persons 2, 6, 25, 10 and 3. Against each number they are given frequencies. So what is the formula for discrete frequency distribution? Discrete frequency distribution or karone ami formula eta ki paisilu x bar equal to summation of xf divided by n. Capital N represents total frequency. Aru eta shortcut method of formula to ki hobo? X bar equal to a plus summation of fd by n. তোমালকে দুইটা ফর্মুলা জুনটো ইউ ইজি হয় জুনটো ইজি পা হেতু মতে কৰিলে হল মই দুইটা কৰিয়ে দেখাই দিম বাৰো সো ফার্স্ট এটো ফর্মুলা ইউজ কৰিছো we have to construct a table here wages rx and number of persons are frequencies so according to the formula what we need x into f xf so mo wages or jagah jikhini dia ase hekini likhi dim 40 45 50 60 then 65 number of persons one frequency kini ki dia ase 2 6 25 10 3 now x into f 40 into 2 80 45 into 6 270 50 into 25 20 0 25 1 2 5 0 this is 600 and this is 195 now we have to calculate its total summation xf to yapa ami total kiman pam total ahibo 2395 hol eti ami etu formula tut bahai dim so therefore x bar equal to 2395 then what we need again we need the number of total number of frequency this summation f capital N will be equal to 35 37 it's 40 6 so 2395 divided by 46 will be equal to 52.07 now I will show you the shortcut method wages x then number of persons frequency d equal to x minus a then f into d 40 50 entry. Now we have to choose a assume mean. Let's take the assume mean to be 50, as it lies almost at the center. A equal to 50. So 40 minus 50 minus 10, 45 minus 50 it's minus 5, 50 minus 50 it's 0, 60 minus 50 10, 65 minus 50 it's 15. Now F into D. Minus 20 minus 30 it's 0, it's 100 and it's 45. Now we have to take capital N will be equal to 46 and summation of FT it will be equal to 95. So we have got the values. Now we will put it in the formula. Our formula is x bar equal to a plus summation of FT by N. Our A is 50, summation of FD is 95, then capital N means 46. It will be almost equal to 52.07. So that's all for today.